Hello, little girl with your sassy hat.
Oh man.
She's happy.
Did you say can leave?
Can leave.
Can't leave it deep without you. Can't leave.
He's eating. No. Caleb, no! That's her hat. She needs to wear that. Mark, can you put the hat on her?
Nugget.
Cool. You have a lot of hair, so you're okay. You have sunblock on. But Camille doesn't have sunblock on her head, and she doesn't have enough hair, so she needs a hat.